Welcome to another demonstration of war robots on the test server. Here today is a video demonstration of the new machine gun prototype. It's a heavy weapon. The amount of ammunition it carries is 50 rounds, after which there's a reload time of 10 seconds. The range is exceedingly good. It is similar to a Molot, so it's 800 meters, much further than the Punisher. And the amount of damage per hit is 2400 hit points. Now you can see that that it appears to fire one round at a time. There is not lethal damage or near lethal damage, unlike the Trident, but it does wear away the health quite well. It does require you to stay in the open though, so therefore the Raijin is possibly a good choice just because it can put up its shield during that cooldown period. I'll also demonstrate the Carnage, which can get away during the cooldown period. And I'll also demonstrate the Fury. However, the weakness there is that it's rather slow and it has no energy or physical shield. So there we did away with an enemy. The Raijin, as I said, is a very good choice just because it's got that shield during that cooldown. But because it doesn't have that lethal type of or near lethal type of damage, you really have to stay in danger for a longer period of time. Here we're gonna strike down another Rogatka. I see another enemy there in the distance. As I said, the range is really good. There's some damage being done, but it takes a lot of time to do that damage. Here, it appears to be a Trident with it appears to be an enemy with an Ansel, so it has to go through the Ansel shield first, and appears to be a Fury with two trebuchets and an Ansel that's not moving. So now this Raijin is nearly at the end of its life. Now this doesn't seem to be able to deal with elevation very well. The combination of the Raijin, there we go. Oh, that Ansel's recovering very fast, so faster than this weapon's cooldown. But it has an excellent range, so I applaud the capability in terms of distance here. It's just not a very fast rate of fire. The graphic is very visually appealing. Oh, see, I see that the Ansel now has fully recovered, so it's going to take a lot of damage to the Ansel before it can start penetrating to the Fury itself. I see that I'm nearing the end of my health, so I'm gonna make another choice here. Here's a Carnage. This is probably a good use of the Carnage's capability. With an energy shield, it can stop physical rounds. Not as strong as an Ansel, but similar concept, and not as much health as an Ansel, and not as much recovery. And because you have to stay in danger, it'll stop the enemy from firing and striking you until depletion of the energy shield. with physical rounds, but it will not stop energy rounds or plasma weapons. So we're going to use... Alright, well thank you for watching. This has been a video demonstration of the heavy machine gun prototype on War Robots Test Server 2.8.0. And we thank you again for viewing.